Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel, and it's your girl Julie, and today I'm back with another video. So I just want to say happy new year's to everyone. You know, it's a new year, it's a new fresh start. I wanted to do like an updated makeup routine since the last time I did my makeup routine video was like a year ago. So I was like, why not just like start off with a updated makeup routine video for like the new year. All I can say is that I do my makeup differently. I use different products, well, most of them, you know. So without further ado, let's just get on with this video. So you guys know how like I've never used like primers before, and like recently I've been using the Urban Decay All Nighter face primer right here. I was at Ulta, right, and then I saw this. It was like a little like try on travel size. There's like a full bottle and this little small like travel size, you know, bottle that you can try out to see if you like it or not. And I've been using this for like a while now, for like a couple months, and let me tell you guys, this primer is bomb. Like, it smooths down my pores, and it sets like a clear smooth canvas for my foundation when I put it on. So ever since I use this face primer, there's no going back to not using one, because this changed my makeup game. So if you were like me and you know didn't use a face primer, I recommend you trying one. You know, try to find the one that suits your skin type. So my skin type is like oily combination, so but it's mostly on the oily side. So I might go back soon to get like a full size one, since I got this small one to try it out and actually like it. So I'm just gonna like put some on my fingertips, just a little bit or something, or maybe a little bit more. Yeah, and I just put it all over my face. Okay, so I have my face primed. So for me, I start with my eye makeup first. I don't think I ever remember a time where I started with my foundation first and then my eye makeup, because I feel like I've always done my eyes first and then with my foundation, just because like my eyes be taking the longest, like my eyebrows especially be taking the longest. It's like about like 15 minutes to do. Or like on a good day, my eyebrows take about at least 10 minutes, you know, if they're like cooperating with me. So first for my eyebrows, I gelled on my eyebrows and I used this Got2b Glue Ultra Glued styling gel. And make sure you get the right one, the one that says Invincible styling gel right here and has like the yellow wording. So I recommend you getting this one, because like if you get the other one, it has this like flaky residue or something, or like when you wear it throughout the whole day, your eyebrows get flaky or whatever, and it shows like some, like, it looks nasty. I'm gonna need to get a new bottle too, because it's about to be gone too. I bet you gotta restock on everything, man. Then I have my spoolie brush, and then what I do is just put like a little bit on it. I brush my eyebrows up like that. So when I do this, it helps my eyebrows like stay in place, and it also helps me shape up my eyebrows whenever like I conceal them and fill them in. So as you can see, like there's a difference. Like this eyebrow is more arched than this one. And I'm gonna get my razor and then use it to shape my eyebrows up more. So my eyebrows are done, you know, not done yet, but now I'm gonna move on to concealing. So next I'm gonna conceal my eyebrows. So I'm gonna use this Tarte Shape Tape matte foundation. I know it says foundation, but I'm gonna use it as concealer. Okay, so what I do is I'm gonna like outline the bottom of my eyebrows first. And what I do is just blend it out, and as you can see, like my eyebrows is coming together to shape. So now I'm gonna conceal the top. So now I'm gonna do my other eyebrows. Since this one is a little bit more arched than this, I'm gonna fix this right here. Now I'm gonna fill in my eyebrows. What I'm gonna use is this Anastasia Dip Brow Pomade in dark brown. So I'm gonna get my angled brush, and then what I'm gonna do is like pinch it like that so it can be like more angled. So I'm just gonna like lightly fill it. So I'm going for like a natural feathered kind of eyebrow look. Lightly fill it in. So now I'm just gonna like fix up any parts that I like overdrew or like overfilled, fix it up. So I'm done with my eyebrows, and today is a good eyebrow day because it only took me like less than 10 minutes to do, so that was good. So for my eyeshadow look on like a daily makeup routine, I'll just go for more of like a neutral like brown colors and stuff. So I'm gonna use my Maven Beauty medium blend palette, get my eyeshadow brush, and what I'm gonna do is get this color right here, put it like that, and just blend it on my crease. I use this Hoola Benefit contour like to create more of a depth in my crease. On both sides like that. And what I'm going to do is blend it out. And then I'm going to get this little more fluffier brush right here, and then go over with this same brown that I used earlier. And I'm just gonna like blend it all out. So now I'm gonna move on with my lashes. So I'm using this Pretty Glow Glam in the style 444 right here. So I'm gonna take my lash glue. So I use a tweezer to put on my lashes. So I'm gonna put it on this side. That's. And like a little tip for me is that when you put on your lashes, instead of like going down like this, like, you know, following your actual lashes, I put mine more like on top like that. So you can see like a space between like my eyelash line right here and right here, so you can see it, right? So, but we're gonna fix that, so don't worry about that. And then at the end, just like bring it up and then fix it. It prevents your like eyelashes from looking droopy, or like whenever your hair touches it, you know, it droops down. So yeah, so then what I do next is I get my eyelash glue, and then like you just put glue under like on your real lashes right here like that. And I promise you, your real eyelashes won't like come off when you take off your falsies. Use the end of my tweezer right here to like push it up like that against the falsies. Because like at first you can see like my like real eyelashes hanging down, but when you do this, it just blends your real eyelashes with the falsies. Every time you see like an unwanted like lash just hanging down, you can always just glue it up with the falsies, and then you're good to go. So I'm using this Il Makiage in color black. So I just fill in this spot right here so it can blend in with the falsies. I'll do the same with this. And then I'm gonna do it on my upper waterline too. So now I'm using this NYX Jumbo eye pencil in the color white. And what I'm gonna do is put it on my waterline. And I'm gonna do the same with the other eyes. Now I'm gonna move on with my foundation. So I'll be using a different foundation, and I'll be using this It's the same brand but like just different coverage. So I'm using this Il Makiage After Party foundation. So this is like full coverage, and the other one that I used was like medium coverage. Like, so I just wanted to try this out and see how I like it, and so far I'm loving it. It's lightweight also, but it's like it gives you that full coverage look, which I love. Okay, so now I'm gonna use my Ultimate Blending e.l.f. foundation brush. So dab on this first. So now I'm gonna move on with my contour. So I'm gonna use my e.l.f. Cream Contour Palette right here. It's a little messy and I need to get a new one too. I'm using this cream shade right here. And then what I'm gonna do is get my contour angle brush right here from, which is also from e.l.f. I'm gonna do it on my jawline. I'm gonna contour my nose. So I make a circle, so I'm gonna start a line like that. Draw a line straight across so it can look like a button nose. So then I'm gonna blend it out with my fingers. Draw a line right here. And just blend it out with my fingers. So now a little like makeup tip. So I'm gonna grab my NYX Jumbo eye pencil, and then what I'm gonna do is like I'm just gonna put like a little dot on my nose like that, and then on my nose bridge just like that. And then I'm telling you, like a little disc goes a long way, so just put a little bit and then blend it out. And then you see that? Now when you put on your highlight, it's gonna make your highlight pop out way more and look more, you know, blingy blingy. Now I'm also gonna put it in my inner corners of my eyes like that. Like that. Just blend it out. Alright guys, so now I'm gonna put on some contour, like some bronzer. So I'm gonna get my bronzer brush. I'm gonna get my Hoola Benefit contour. I'm just gonna contour my face. Got some blush, so I'm gonna get my blush brush, and for my blush I use this Maybelline Fit Me color Wine. Add some color in my face, and then what I'm gonna do is just also put on my nose like that. So literally my package just came in today. It's just my highlighter, but I got it from Fashion Nova, so it finally came in. Let me just open it. It's crazy how this package came on right on time when I was about to do my highlighter. And another one right here. So let me tell you guys, their highlighter is bomb. I've been using them for the past year and I'm obsessed with it. I got it in the color Draped Up here. The packaging is super cute. I'm happy that it came on time too, like, because my other one literally broke and shattered like completely. Like, look at this. So it's about time for me to get a new one. So here it is, beautiful. I'm opening this. Oh my gosh, so beautiful. So let me do like a little swap for you guys. So this is what it looks like. I'm getting my little brush right here, and then I'm gonna put it on my nose. Do you see that? That shit popping for real. I'm just gonna blend it out a little bit. Do it on my nose bridge. And also on my inner corners. So putting the white underneath just makes everything pop out more. So now I'm gonna put on mascara underneath my eyes. So I'm using this Wet n Wild Mega Length waterproof mascara. So now I'm using this Kat Von D Lock It Setting Powder, translucent right here. So I'm just gonna use this to like set my face, like use it as a powder instead. So I'm gonna get my brush and I'm just gonna like put it over my face and just set it up like that. So lastly, I'm gonna do my lips. So I'm using this Ella Girl Perfect Precision eyeliner. I'm using it as lip liner, but you know, whatever. So I'm gonna line my lips. And I'm just gonna blend it out. And to fix any lines, I'm just gonna go with my concealer and just fix it up. If I like overdrew my lips a little bit. So that's all that I do to my lips. I just like line them up, and since my like natural lip colors are like pink, I just leave it like that, and it looks kind of like, it looks like I put lipstick on, but I didn't. I just like line my lips. I don't really like putting too much stuff on my lips. Okay, yes, so now to finish off my makeup, I'm gonna use this Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray right here. Okay guys, so here's my finished makeup look. It's like a simple glam. This is what I would do for like my everyday makeup routine, or like whenever, or like my go-to makeup look. This is what I would do. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you guys find like the little makeup tips that I give you guys a little helpful, because they did help me with my makeup. So I'm gonna end the video right here. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you do, give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment, and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet already, and click that bell notification so you don't miss any time when I upload. And I'll see you guys in my next video. I love y'all so much. Mwah. Peace out.